Today we are creating a gorgeous cut crease eye makeup with our favorite Brow Bar by Reema products. Start your makeup with your favorite foundation and concealer, and then we're going to go into the BH Nude Hollywood Icon Face Kit and use the translucent setting powder all over our face. I'm doing my brows today with the Bombshell Brow Kit and starting by filling in my brows with the powder. I'm using the pencil to fill in any sparse areas, and lastly concealing under the brow with the brow lift in the kit. So let's prime our eyes to get them ready for some eyeshadow. Again, going into the BH Nude palette, we are taking this beautiful tan contour color and swiping that across to start building up some color. Blend that upward into the brow, and then now we're going to pack in some of that deep brown eyeshadow. Make sure you don't blend it all the way in so that there is a separation of color. Here we are taking the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Lift, and this is going to cut our crease. Taking a nice flat brush, you can start working your way and creating the shape that you would like for your crease and touch up as you go. Here I'm packing this nude color eyeshadow all across the lid. This is going to give us a nice neutral base to continue working on the cut crease, and it's going to set the brow lift. We are going to go into my favorite blue gel eyeliner from Brow Bar by Reema. I'm using an angled brush to create my liner and my wing. You can also do this with the black gel eyeliner if you would like, but I really love the vibrant blue color that this liner gives. We're going to step this look up with some of the Reema Beauty Gorgeous Foil Shimmers. I'm placing that on the lid and blending a little bit into the blue eyeliner as well. Balance out this eyeshadow by adding the Kajal pencil in our waterline on the lower lashes and then blending that out into the skin. To blend it out even further, we're going to take that gorgeous contour color and just add a touch of that along the bottom. Here we want an extra pop of shine, so we are taking this Reema Beauty Loose Pigment and popping that on the inner corners of the eyes. We cannot forget about our brow highlight, so I'm going back into the Bombshell Brow Kit and placing that under my brows. Grab your favorite mascara and coat those lashes. To finish off the face, we are using the contour and the blush from the Hollywood Icon Face Kit, and the most beautiful shine from the Heartbreaker palette. I'm using the 90210 Brow Bar by Reema lip and their Oh My My gloss on top. I'm going to finish it off with my Diva lashes and our look is complete.